Hi guys, so it's lockdown, God knows what day. So I decided to document a natural dyeing of a shrug that I'm going to do. I'd gotten this shrug like 6 years back from Forever 21, and it's very old, but it's super comfortable, and I'm planning to do little changes with this shrug. I am going to naturally dye it with turmeric sticks today, and then maybe in the later stage try a different color at home and see how it works out. So I'm going to document this so that you can also do it at home. So let's get into this. Hi guys, I got this turmeric from a puja store very close to my house. So most of the local stores that sell things that you need for puja will have this thing because this is a necessity. And I don't know if general stores has it, but I bought 90 grams of turmeric for 100 rupees. So yeah. We folded the shrug into a rectangular shape, and now we are going to tie it with a thread. Unfortunately, I don't have a very strong thread and this is very delicate. So we're going to use rubber bands to tie the shrug. So we've dried it, and I have actually washed it in the washing machine a bit before I could show you. The only problem, though not the only problem, let me just tell you, I chose the color yellow, and I think if it's not organic, the color doesn't seep into the cloth too much. So, and I chose an off-white shrug because of which it looks like someone would have thrown colors. But also the way you tie your shrug, t-shirt or whatever also matters when you are trying to dye your clothes, because only the one that is in the front has more color than the others inside. So yeah, make sure you. So what happened was this part of the shrug was in the front, so you can see the patchwork here in the front, but at the back again it's just plain dry or just has bits of yellow on it, and I think I just chose the wrong color. You should try it with something darker, and also the other alternative to natural dyeing is normal food color or something like that. You can get those and try it at home as well with the same procedure, and I'm sure you'll get a better shade. So this was kind of a fail, and I'm gonna try it out with a darker shade soon. And do try this procedure and let me know if it worked out for you or not. So yes, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, like, share and subscribe.